back to this channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about forms MD-14 and MD-15. The Central Drugs Standard Control Organization is responsible for permitting new medicines, creating rules, monitoring the effectiveness of the drugs, and being in coordination with state authorities in matters related to healthcare. CDSCO also grants certification for import and export of medical equipments. For this, the manufacturer and the importer needs to acquire a form under MD-14 and MD-15. So what do the forms MD-14 and MD-15 signify? If any person wishes to import devices that fall under the category of notified medical devices, then he must possess the form MD-15 from CDSCO. If the applicant doesn't have the import license, then he needs to file an application to CDSCO via form MD-14. The applicants can obtain this license through an authorized Indian representative who shall file the application on their behalf. Which authorities are responsible to grant license under form MD-14? There are two authorities that are responsible for granting such licenses. These are the State Licensing Authority and the Central Licensing Authority. The State License Authority is responsible for giving out loans, manufacturing licenses, and wholesale licenses to medical devices that fall under Class A and B. Whereas the Central Licensing Authority is responsible for providing licenses for the import of medical devices in the country. It also assists with providing manufacturing licenses to devices that fall under categories C and D. Who can apply for import through Form MD-14 and MD-15? The importer must appoint an authorized Indian agent. The agent must possess a manufacturing or wholesale license in Form 20B and 21B as per the CDSCO guidelines. The agent shall then apply for the license through Sugam portal online. Let's have a look at the documents required to obtain license in Form MD-14. The applicant must have a covering letter, a self-attested copy of the agent's wholesale or manufacturing license, a notarized copy of pre-sale certificate of the product, the latest copy of audit or inspection report that has been carried out within the past 3 years, a certified copy of ISO 13485, a certified copy of CA quality assurance, a copy of CE design certificate, the plant's master file, the device master file, a flowchart of device design, and a flowchart of manufacturing process. Along with this, a notarized copy of manufacturing site, power of attorney, and a copy of the fee challan must be attached. The process to obtain an import license as per Form MD-15 is fairly simple. First, the applicant must evaluate the product is as per the medical device rules standards. Next, the applicant must log on to the Sugam portal of CDSCO with registered ID and password. The applicant must appoint an authorized Indian agent. Then after this, the applicant needs to fill in the required details on the portal and upload the relevant documents as mentioned before in the video. Lastly, the applicant needs to recheck and confirm the data in the draft application and submit it. CDSCO may ask the applicant some query. These queries need to be addressed immediately. Once the authorities are satisfied, the medical device import license shall be granted to the applicant. What is the validity of the license obtained under Forms MD-14? The validity of the license issued in Form MD-15 is perpetual. The applicant need not renew the license as long as the retention fee is being paid as per the norms stated in the second schedule. The retention fee must be paid in a timely manner in a span of 5 years from the date of issue unless the Central Licensing Authority revokes it. So that's it for this video. For more such updates, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.